Monday. I have been working on my granny square blanket for myself. I'm really excited. So I have 7 of these done. I've only weaved in 2 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and I want to kind of stay consistent in weaving them in. I have 1 square that I finished yesterday, but I just casually worked on these. I did like 2 yesterday when I was watching the Super Bowl, and then I just did this one. So, and then the other ones were done probably Friday night. I just pick them up whenever I want to. That is what I am working on. I just got done doing the taxes for the year. I always put it off because I'm just like, I don't want to sit there and have to like put everything in. Like, it's not a lot to put in, but like I have to actually read everything because you don't want to make a mistake. But I stay with the same online tax people, so they have my information, well, my husband's information from the previous year, so it imports most of it for me. But anyways, I got that done and filed and submitted to the IRS, so that's awesome. And next on the to-do list is get some laundry folded, but I'll probably get that done after I pick up my son, unless he wants to go outside and play. We'll see what he's feeling. Work on, I just want to make some more, and then these are really easy, something I can do, just weave in the ends when the kids are outside playing. I can sit out there with them, watching them, and weave them in. I don't have to worry about stitches. Granny squares are great projects to work on when you do have young kids because it's repetitive and you just do the same stitches over. You know, once you know the stitch that you're doing, the pattern of the granny square, because there's different granny squares obviously, but this is just the simple one. And once you got that down, you just simply, you know, depending on your color changes, I'm doing 2 colors only. So you just, it's really repetitive. So you can just, you know, do it while you're watching your kids and not worry that you're gonna, you know, miss a stitch or anything. So that's what I really like about this. And I'm really excited to get it done just so it'll tie in with the whole theme of my room. I do already have a blanket that's black and white. Well, it's black and like a gray color with kind of like a cream color. It's a heated blanket, but I want this to hang up like I showed you guys in the previous video, my little ladder that I have 2 ladders. So we'll see where it ends up, but I'm trying, the pattern is for a blanket, so I might downsize it to a throw, but I might just end up doing it a blanket because everybody loves blankets and I just think they're so cute and I love them. So I'm gonna stop chit-chatting with you guys and I'm going to get onto this. We'll see what I get done. And yeah, that's my goal for today, is just to see if I can get maybe 1 or 2 squares done. And then later I'll weave in the ends. It is Tuesday morning and I am about to eat some breakfast really quickly, and then I need to dive into getting this mess down here. I have this bag, I have that bag to go through, and these 2 boxes to go through. So they used to sit on the side of my old couch and I don't want them out here anymore. They kind of just sat there for no reason. So we are going to get these cleaned out, put in a permanent spot, and yeah, I just really need to go through because like this one is full of stuff. Like I used to make earrings and it has a bunch of other things in there for when I made, just different things that I thought were going to be a hit that maybe I just decided it wasn't bringing me joy, so I don't have anymore. So I need to go through these two. This one has a lot of yarn, some finished pieces for a hat that I was making my daughter. These are my finished purses, so I need to just get those completed and then inventoried and put away. So that's my goal for today. I'm gonna bring you guys along why I get that done. So this is what's come out of these two bins here. I have to put all this yarn away. These are projects I need to keep close. Stuff I'm going to donate because I'm not going to be using any of this stuff right now. And just tools. I don't know. I might see if... I don't know, we'll see what we'll do with these, but those are finished projects. And then these go on a hat that I was making for my daughter. And then, like I said, yarn. And this box has a bunch of like knickknacks. It has this in there, and it just has like a bunch of eyes and some other stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get those cleaned out, and then hopefully get everything put in its place. This is easy because this is all going to go in the appropriate boxes outside so that I know where all the yarn is. Just want to keep everything organized and together. So let's keep going. Now we have everything out. I have so many different little bead things. I'm gonna find somewhere to put these, probably for my girls to use because I don't think I'm gonna use them anymore. And then I just have a bunch of stuff, different stuff. That's probably all gonna go to donation, not this stuff. And then I have that. I need to find somewhere to put that. So these 4 things are now empty. All this yarn has to get put away. I actually need these, but everything else is going to get put away because I actually have over on that side, I have my other yarn bag that I'm using. So we are going to, I'm going to first take this stuff and put it all in the yarn boxes, and then I'm going to get a little donation bag for those things. These, I might use just this one little box to keep some of these knick-knack items because I don't really want to get rid of them because my daughters like to make different things. So we are just going to, these are like earrings because I used to make earrings and I still like them. They're fun to make, so I think I want to keep those around. But yeah, this is just pretty much what came out of all these boxes, those 2 bags. All right, let's quit chit-chatting and get this stuff put away. And need to add the stuff to that. Maybe I'll get that done today so I can get those pictures taken, get them posted up on my Etsy shop. So I have 3 of these. I have 2 red. They're just big bags, just the round, but you'll see them better when so I have this red, and then I have this bright turquoise. So I really like these. These are nice big bags that you can use for taking to the beach and whatnot. And this is made regular yarn, so it's not cotton and it's not acrylic, so it holds up very well. If it got wet, it'd be okay. If you got sand in it, it has holes, it could be washed, and get everything put away, and then we'll work on getting those completed and pictures taken. And then I do have garbage over there because I just need to get rid of things and not hoard everything. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm in my garage and I went to go put the yarn away that I had inside, and then I decided that I needed to clean up my yarn boxes. So let me show you guys real quick here. So this box was supposed to be for like my thicker weight yarn, and then it had some finished pieces in it. This is yarn from the house. This is yarn that I'm just gonna donate because I don't want it anymore. It's not the colors I want, and it's just not good quality. And these are some items like I made for my daughters, or that I made, and I don't necessarily want to get rid of, but I just don't make them anymore, but I want to keep them. So we are going to go through this box and only keep the thick yarn and get rid of the yarns that I'm just not going to use in any projects that are just not going to be kept. And like this box is full fall winter colors, but I think it's yeah, this is the box I use the most, so I just got to go through and check that. So I'm gonna go through that and sort everything out. Okay, I got everything that was on the floor put away and organized all my yarn outside. I ended up color coding it into like all the winter colors, so fall colors and Christmas colors, Halloween, stuff like that. And then I just did a box that I have some yarn that was my grandma's yarn, so that's put in a box that just put away for that. And I have my thick yarn that I was showing you guys, but then I also put the brights in there because I don't have a lot of brights. And then I got a whole bag to donate of yarn, so I'm gonna get that. I got a lot of garbage that was in those 4 bins that was just been collecting. It's just really nice to have it cleaned out. Like I said, I'm really in this cleaning mood, and I don't need everything that I have, and I just feel like it's just collecting, and right now is the best time to get rid of things so that I can work through and see the yarn that I have and just work through that yarn. So I have a lot of like granny square projects that I have started. I had started this granny square bag with some yarn that actually was my grandma's, and it's sitting over there in the, I have one basket now. Let me show you guys. This is my grandma's basket that she had. So in here I have that's all that's gonna be in here, because I sit over there normally when my husband is home. I sit over there in the corner because I can have my bag over there. And so I'm really excited that I could get through that. And now I'm just gonna sit and relax because I'm exhausted, because I took all that yarn outside and then like some that I had in the house that was like fall colors, because I just shoved it in there after Christmas and was just like, I don't want to see this yarn anymore right now. I'm over it. So I got that all organized outside in the totes. I just need to label the totes, and that way I know when I go outside what is what. A box out there of stuff, like I said, that I had started. So that's just like a little keepsake of showing like my progress of how I progressed over the years, because some of it's like when I first started and it's not so good. It's always fun to look back and just keep those special items. So yeah, I got that, and then I just have all these, like I have some notepads, I have clipboards, I have just a lot of things here that I need to go through and just put back in the places that they came from. Getting all that yarn finally organized, finally getting it together, and just putting everything in places that they needed to go back to for a long time. They've just, like I said, they were sitting beside the couch for years. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of crocheting done. I don't know how much, but I'm really glad that I have that little organization checked off my list. I mean, it could be even, I could probably deep dive more into organizing. I do need to organize the hall closet where I keep yarn that I'm using in the house. Most of it's in there. So I will talk to you guys later. Maybe later tonight, we'll see. how that goes. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. Yesterday was getting ready to take the kids to school when we discovered a leak from our water heater. So yesterday was a day full of getting a new water heater, getting my husband put it in, and then it was a short day for the kids, so got no crocheting done during the day. However, I was able to whip up some of the half square triangles, I guess we should call them. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 5 last night while I was watching TV. And then I have this stack here that I need to weave all the ends in. So I'm gonna work on that. I do have to leave in a little bit to go take my daughter to her orthodontist appointment because she is getting braces on today for the top teeth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just weave in the ends of the stack here, see how far I get. If I get them all done, I would be really grateful for that, but we will see how far we can get. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to working on that. So I am finally putting the finishing touches on these bags that I made, and I think they turned out beautiful. I wish I would have finished them a lot sooner. These are perfect for spring and summer. They are a boho style bag, and you can just throw your stuff in and go. They are also great for a project bag if you need one. And it's stylish and cute, and it's very versatile. You can wash it and dry it. And I am just so pleased with how it came out. So 2 of the bags I put these straps on, and then one of the turquoise bags I put on a chain that I had. So I just used what I had around the house, and this is just cording that I had purchased and it was sitting in my drawer, so I just used it and I love it. Love the style, love the way it works. You guys let me know in the comments. I'm going to be posting these on Instagram and on my Etsy shops for sale. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the chain, or if you like the traditional faux leather handle? All right, guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye, guys.